Hey everybody, Justin Udy here. How are you? Hey, you are receiving this message because two things. One, you likely received the newsletter, and if you received the newsletter and you were a brand new person that essentially closed, either bought a property, sold a property, or it was an investment with a 1031 exchange, folks, you would have received the closing documents. So, couple things that's in this message is one, here in this video, there is a company that we have used in the past to give you home evaluations. So if you haven't signed up for that, use it. It's a very good tool. If you're wondering, like, what's my value, where we're at, I will tell you right now, we partnered with this company. The valuations are a little bit better. It is still an average valuation model, but it's better than some of the other sources out there, okay? So if you haven't signed up for it, sign up for it. It's a tool. It's just a resource of something that we've said, look, I wanna make sure that our clients have that as a tool as they're just looking at numbers, looking at values. You may be refinancing, you may be looking at other options, you may end up getting an offer out of state, and you're just like, what's the general value of my property? So just know that's what's there for you. Part two of that is look, if you just barely closed a home with us, or folks that received the newsletter and you've been our past clients, just know, like, I just want to say thank you so much for working with us. Thanks for all of the folks that have given us referrals this year. And also, thank you so much for just your confidence and trust in us. And we are just always here for you. So if you just closed or you've closed in the past, as you folks know, for years and years and years, we are always here for you, provide you any resources, any navigation or information. And also, in regards to the home evaluation, folks, if you are looking at selling, please don't use it. It's a tool. It is not the end all, okay? If you want a pinpoint evaluation, we want to make sure that we're understanding what updates have you done? What are the other things that have maybe been changed? We want to look at the current market data, not the average and not stuff that has sold within the last year, because we want to look what's sold in the micro neighborhood, close by, within a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months, right? So we'll get a very more pinpoint analysis for you. And folks, that's free of charge. There's no obligation, right? We're here to serve you and provide you that. So in saying that, help you enjoy the newsletter, hope you include the closing documents. If you receive the closing documents, please put those away, provide them to your CPA. They're gonna be something that you're gonna wanna use come April, okay? And folks, if you have any referrals or folks that you want to, that you can refer our way, thank you so much. We will provide them the utmost professional service we possibly can. We look forward to serving you. If you need anything, please reach out to us. We thank you for your business. We thank you for working with us. And I just want to personally say thank you so much. It's been, being a team leader was something I never wanted to be. I just wanted to be a really good agent. And over time, I've had really great people that we work with on our team that really do an amazing job. And that's what we like to do for you. So thanks again. Hope to talk to you soon. If you need anything, please don't hesitate. And we'll connect soon. Thank you. Take care.